Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in my today's video, I'm going to cover G2 test route here in Peterborough. Watch this video till end. It's going to help you a lot. Do a lot of practice so that you can pass your test at first attempt. Please like and subscribe my channel as well. So once you're leaving from the parking lot, make sure that you will shift a proper gear and you will give a proper signal, scan both sides and move when it's safe to do so. Head movements are very important. So we are here at the exit. So come to a complete stop here, right signal on. So we will turn right. Make sure that you will take your time and move when it's safe to do so. Turn into your lane. So speed limit is 50 here. So might be examiner will ask you to do a lane change to the left and then come back to the right lane. So do it only when it's safe to do so. Every 5 to 8 seconds, you have to look into your rear view mirror. So if somebody is moving slow in front of you, so stay away from them. Don't follow them too close. So there is a railway crossing as well, and it's a big intersection. So scan both sides whenever you will pass any intersection. From here, they will ask you to turn right. So right signal on, a right side blind spot check and turn into your lane. So in this street, they will ask you to do uphill, downhill and roadside stop. If somebody is parking in front of you, stay away from them 1 meter and you can pass them. Speed limit is 50 here. So they have a lot of streets here and every street has their own speed. So make sure that you will pay attention to the speed sign. So we're going to make right turn, right signal on, right side blind spot check. Since it's a stop always, so whoever will come first, they will go first. From stop sign, they will ask you to go left. So we came to the 4th Street, left signal on. So again, it's a stop always. So whoever will come first, they will go first. Check left side blind spot and go into your lane. So there are 3 streets on the right hand side. Here in these streets, they will ask you to do 3-point turn and parallel parking. So they can take you to any street here and they will ask you to do all that stuff. So check your blind spot before turn. Here might be they will ask you to do 3-point turn, uphill, downhill and all that stuff. At upcoming stop sign, they will take you left. So left signal on, left side blind spot check. Come to a complete stop. Before stop, make sure that you will look into your rear view mirror and stop before the footpath. And now you will inch forward. Scan both sides and move only when it's safe to do so. At this stop sign, they will ask you to make right turn. So right signal on. So we are at Brown Street. Right side blind spot check. Inch forward. Take your time. Move only when it's safe to do so. And we will turn right from stop sign, right signal on, a right side blind spot check here, come to a complete stop. Take your time, inch forward, move only when it's safe to do so. So your visibility gonna be very low from the left side, so make sure that you will take your time. So if there is some car parked, you can go over the yellow line. So there is a stop sign coming up, stop all way. So we'll come to a complete stop here. And whoever will come first, they will go first. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Scan intersections. So here again is a railway crossing, so if you notice that the lights are blinking, so you have to stay away. Scan and move. Now they will say you to turn right, so right side blind spot check. Must check your right side blind spot here, because any biker can be there, e-bike, e-scooter, anything can be there. And at this traffic light, take your time, no rush. Come to a complete stop. So other people, they have advanced green, so you should let them go first and then you're gonna finish your turn. But we can inch forward here a little bit, and now we will see it's clear. Check blind spot and finish your turn. And on our right hand side there is a test center, so they will ask you to make right turn. So right signal on, a right side blind spot check, turn right here. And then they will say do front parking on left hand side or right hand side, so you will do the parking. I'm going to take you to another route, G2 test route. Watch this video till end, it's going to help you a lot. Your right signal has to be on. We are going out from the parking lot. Make sure that you will scan properly and move only when it's safe to do so. Here they will ask you to do the lane change to the left and then come back to the right lane. So check into your rear view mirror, signal on, blind spot check, do the lane change when it's safe to do so, and then come back to the right lane. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and come to the right lane. For lane changes, take your time, do it only when it's safe to do so. And might be they will ask you to make a right turn from here, 4th Street, right side blind spot check. So this is a very sharp turn, so be careful. So as you can see that there is no speed posted, so that means we can drive at 50. So this sign says there is a stop sign ahead. Check into your rear view mirror. So we'll come to a complete stop. So it's a stop all way. So whoever will come first, they will go first. Complete stop before solid white line. Scan both sides and move. They will ask you to turn right. So there is a street on the right hand side. Check your blind spot before turn. Turn into the street. Here they will ask you to do uphill, downhill, 3-point turn and all that stuff, and then they will take you back to the same street. So we're gonna do 3-point turn, blind spot check, pull over to the right. Make sure that you will take your time and you will do a proper scanning, and then you will start your 3-point turn. Check your surroundings. Make sure that you will check your rear view mirror as well and move when it's safe to do so. From this stop sign, they will take you right. So we are back to 4th Street again. The right side blind spot check, complete stop before solid white line. Now our visibility is not good, so we will inch forward, scan, check blind spot and finish your turn. Then they will take you straight. So make sure that you will look into your rear view mirror, and if you want you can check your side mirrors as well. Again we are at the stop all way, so we will come to a complete stop here. 3 seconds count and we will turn right, blind spot check, signal was on, and we will turn into the right lane. So here they have like so many streets, and some streets they have the speed limit 30, some streets they have the speed limit 40, and if you're not able to find any speed sign, that means you can drive at 50. From here they will take you left, so stop sign, we will turn left. So we are at a high street right now. We will inch forward, So our visibility is not good. So take your time at this street. So take your time at this point and move only when it's safe to do so. Left side blind spot check and go. So again, they will ask you to turn right. So right signal on, right side blind spot check. It's a stop always. So whoever will come first, they will go first. So at upcoming traffic light, they're gonna ask you to make a right turn. Speed limit is 50. Check into your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So turn right, right signal on, right side blind spot check, and bring your car to the right hand side. So now we can see that there is pedestrian on the right hand side, so we have to give them priority. So keep eye on them. So we'll let them pass, and now we will check the blind spot and we can finish the turn and turn into your lane. Check into your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Speed limit is 50 here. So they have two routes. So in this video, I showed you both of them. So if somebody is in front of you for turning like this, make sure that you will stay away from them. Scan both sides. Whenever you will pass any intersection, you have to look both sides. Check into your rear view mirror as well. Upcoming traffic light, they will ask you to make a right turn. So you have to give signal from here. Right side blind spot check as well. So that's the main street now, so be careful here. So we will inch forward. We can make a right turn at red light, but make sure that it's safe to do so. And take your time. So our lane is clear. We can finish the turn. Now again, the speed limit is 50 here. Check into your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So we'll scan this intersection and we are very near to the test center. From here, they will ask you to make right turn, a right signal on, a right side blind spot check, and they will say do front parking on right and left. So whatever parking they will say, you have to do that parking. So we're gonna park on left hand side, left signal on, and left side blind spot check, and we will do the front parking on left hand side. So that's how you will do the drive during your G2 test. I hope you will like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any practice or car for the road test, you can reach out to us at 437-226-3332. Thank you so much for watching.